Hello mga kakunyang! For today's video, I just want to show you about my off routine. Saturday or Sunday, actually, alternate. So, for today's video is Sunday and I'm going to badminton court. So, yun po yung kinahuhumalingan ko lagi, ang paglalaro ng badminton aside from going anywhere out there in Hong Kong. So, tara, samahan niyo po ako para po kasama ko kayong ma-enjoy sa laro. So, that's all po and see you later! And papunta tayo sa bus stop, which is doon tayo sasakay ng minibus para sa papunta sa court. So, yun guys. Lalakad tayo konti. Hindi naman kalayuan yung yung court, pero kailangan nating sumakay ng minibus. At this moment, guys, I'm just waiting the minibus 40X going to Causeway Bay from here in our place, the Ripples Bay. So, ayan. And before I'm going to the court that I wanted to play, I need to interchange from Causeway Bay. And now just arrived at the Causeway Bay and I'm walking, going to my friend's place. And at this moment, since it is a bit early going to the court, I decided to give the food for them first before I go to play in a whole day. So in that moment, I just walk by going to the park. And as you see, there's no a lot of people because it is early in the morning, like 6 a.m. onwards, like that.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Since naihatid ko na yung food sa aking mga friends, dumiretso na agad ako sa MTR station ng Tin Hau para mag-interchange going to Admiralty. Kasi nandun yung kaibigan ko na kasama ko maglaro doon sa court na pupuntahan namin, which is nearby Chun 1 station. So medyo malayo-layo po yung paglalaruan namin. Ewan ko ba kung bakit naisipan kong mag-join dito. Basta na-challenge lang ako today. So ayan guys, let's go again! Hi guys! Ngayon, yung kasama ko, first time naming sumali sa ibang team ng badminton. So ngayon, nawala kami kasi pupunta kami sa Taiwohao. Ano yun? Taiwohao Community Center yung laruan namin. Hindi siya yung sports center na normally na pinagjo-joinin namin. Yan. Si Ate Lisa. Okay. Medyo malayo-layo yung nilakad namin, guys. Sa million times of paghahanap, sa wakas, nahanap na rin. Ayan siya. Dami namin pinagtanungan. Grabe. Ay, nakakainis. Alam mo yung naghahanap kami ng since it is mura na sports center, hindi siya sports center, community center pala. So, ayan. After 1 million times, napaupo na rin si Ate Liz. Ay, super duper pagoda. Okay, see you later again para sa aming laro.
Ito kung kasakuan dito.
So that was my amazing day, guys. So after playing 2 cards in a day, so I really enjoy it a lot. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and please do share. Bye.